Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today we start our new topic 18.3 joint variation. New mathematics book, class 10, third, second chapter, unit 18 variation. 18.3.1. 18.3. First topic is define joint variation. When a variable depend on the product or quotient of two or more variables is called the joint variation. In other words, joint variation occur when a variable varies directly or inversely with multiple variables. For example, if x varies directly with both y and z, we have x is directly proportional to yz, then x equal to kyz. Second, if x varies directly with y and inversely with z, we have x is inversely proportional y upon z, x equal to ky upon z. 18.3 second, solve problem related to joint variation. Example 1. If y varies directly as xz square and y equal to 4, when x equal to 6 and z equal to 3, find the value of y when x is equal to minus 81 and z is equal to 5. Solution. Since y varies directly as xz square, y is directly proportional to xz square, that is y equal to kx square. Equation 1. By putting y equal to 4, x equal to 6 and z equal to 3 in equation 1, 4 equal to k, 6 is value of x, z value is 3 square. So we have k equal to 4 upon 54. 3 3s are 9, 9 6 are 54. Divide with 4 because multiply with k. That's why k equal to 4 upon 54, or 2 2s are 4, 2 27s are 54. So our k value is 2 upon 27. By putting k 2 upon 27 in equation 1, we get y equal to 2 upon 27 xz square is equation 2. Now by putting x equal to minus 81 and z equal to 5 in equation 2, y equal to 2 upon 27 multiply by minus 81 multiply by 5 square is equal to 27 3s are 81. We know that 27 3s are 81, and see here 2 multiply by minus 3, and 25 5 5s are 25, 2 3s are 6, 6 25s are 150, minus 3, that's why 150 is minus. So our y value is minus 150. Example 2. If a varies directly as v cube and inversely as root t u and s is equal to 16, when v is equal to 4 and u equal to 24, find the value of s when u equal to 25, t equal to 36 and v equal to 5. Solution. Since s varies directly as a v cube and inversely as a root tu, S is directly proportional to V cube upon U root T. So S is equal to K V cube upon U root T in square root T. This is our equation 1. By putting S is equal to 16, V is equal to 4, T is equal to 9 and U is equal to 24 in equation 1. S equal to 16 is equal to K same and 4 is the value of V and 9 is the value of T, 24 is value of U. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Here is 64 and 3 3s are 9, 9's root is 3, 9's square root is 3. 3 multiplied by 24 is 72. Now 64 upon 72 are divided with 16 because they multiply with K. So 72 upon 64 when we change into multiply. 16 ones are 16, 16 fours are 64, 4 18s are 72. So K value is 18. By putting K is equal to 18 in equation 1, S is equal to 18 V cube, and this is our second equation. Is S equal to 18 V cube upon U square root T. By putting U is equal to 25, T is equal to 36 and V is equal to 5 in equation 2. By get S is equal to 18 multiply by 5 power cube because 5 is value of V and square root 36. 36 is the value of T and 25 is value of U. 18 multiplied by 125, 5 power cube, that's why right here 125. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 and this is 6 come from root 36. Root 36, 6 multiplied by 20. Now 25 ones are 25, 25 and 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. 3 multiplied by 5 equal to 15. 25 ones are 25, 25 fives are 125, 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. 3 multiplied by 5 equal to 15. So S value is 15. Hope you all are understand these examples of book. Okay, Allah Hafiz.